You are welcome to this email marketing series. In this video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process on how to send an automated welcoming email to your subscribers or your audience. And I'm not stopping at that. I'll also show you how you can gift them an ebook, so how they can download it and all that. So if you watch this video till the end, I'm also going to show you how you can get this ebook for free. So this is the third video of the 5-video series that we are doing on email marketing. So even if you are a total beginner, don't worry, I've done a video on introduction to email marketing so that you understand how it all goes or what email marketing is all about. And I've also done a video on how to create a landing page. So if you don't know how to collect email from people and all that, you need to go watch those videos. I'll drop them in the description of this video. But today we are going to learn how to create or send an automated welcoming email. So if all this interests you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Alright, you are welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So for you to send a welcoming email to your audience or to those that sign up or subscribe to your email so that you can give them an ebook or something, all you need to do is to sign up. If you have not signed up yet, the link to sign up is in the description of this video. If you have signed up, all you need to do is to log in. So right here, this is my dashboard. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on create right here. So when I click on create, I will come down to this automation. So when I click on automation right here, I would click on get started. All right, so when I click on get started, as you can see, there are different ways you can send welcoming image, but if you are on a free account, you use this checkout classic automation. If you click on this create journey, that means if you are on a free account, you will not be able to do that. So if you are on a free account, just click on this checkout classic automation. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to welcome new subscribers. So you're going to click on this welcome new subscriber. So like this, my image right here is going to distract us a lot. Let me just minimize it. Okay, so right here is a single email. Right here to ask you to select a particular audience, but if you are on a free account, you can only have one audience. So that means you will not be able to have different groups of email. Maybe you cannot differentiate them, that this one is for this particular program, that one is for the other particular program. You are only going to have a single audience, and you can get, on a free account, you can get up to 2,000 audience. So I'm going to click on begin right here. So if you click on begin, it will bring you right here where you're going to edit all the content. So send it to new subscribers immediately after they join your subscription. So if you want it to delay, you can just click here to delay, so that you can pick either 1 second, 2 minutes or something. Also, this is the form. Is from this is my particular email is automatic, because that's the email I used to sign up to open this mailchimp account. So, and the subject is just thanks for joining us, which is okay for me. But if you don't want, you can just click edit right here. So here is where the work lies, where we can give them our free ebook or something to download, or just welcome them to our email. All right, so I will click on this edit design right here. So when I click on edit design, this is where the main work will get started. All right, as I click on edit design, here are different templates that you can pick. So I will just click this simple one, the first one right here, and I'll click on change template. So when I click on change template right here, that is where I will start editing the things that I want to edit. Okay, so here, as you can see, this is my logo, and you can also, if you are new and you want to add something like this, of which I've shown in the other video on how to build or create a landing page for free. If you have not watched that video, kindly go and watch it so that you understand better. I also have another video on introduction to email marketing, which I'm going to still link it in the description of this video, so that you will see how I'm able to add this my logo and all that. So right here, I will just click this pencil sign right here. Okay, so this is like showcase your product. That is, maybe if you have a product that you want to showcase to them, that is if you are selling maybe physical products. But meanwhile, right here, I'll just say welcome, thanks for joining us. I can just put thanks Thanks for joining us, or thanks for joining. Okay, all right. So the next thing right here, I want to gift them my ebook. So just like right now, if you're watching this video, I'm going to drop the link to this particular ebook in the description of this video. So right here I'm going to add, that is if I just want to add my own picture, or I want to add the picture or the image of the ebook I'm gifting. So all I will do is I will click right here. Okay, when I click right here, I will click on this replace. When I click on this replace, it will bring me right here. So if you are new and you don't have any image that you have uploaded before, you click on upload right here and pick the particular image. But for me, since I'm welcoming them, I want to use this my image. I will click on insert right here so that the image will be here. So as I said, thanks for joining us. This my picture is right here talking about the Mobile Academy. So right here, let's say I want to gift an ebook. I will say, okay, as I will say, here is the link to download your free email marketing ebook, right? Okay, so all right, you can just add anything you want to add. Okay, so I can just click on this. So this here, if I will just highlight it so that we insert. So but meanwhile, where is the ebook? Okay, let me just go back to my, this is the ebook I'm gifting you. All right, so all I'll do is I will just grab the link to this ebook. I will copy it. When I come right here, this here right here, I will just, as I highlight it, I will click on this link right here. When I click on it, I will now paste this particular link and I'll insert. When I click on insert, that means they can automatically download this ebook. And as you can see, this here is too, I want it to be bold, so I can add this right here. And if I want to increase the size, I will click on size right here and add it so that the hair will be bolder. Okay, so this is automatically just what it is. All right, you can edit one or two things right here. Okay, you can change the color, you can change, all this is to just, you can just work on it so that you see what you can do. You can underline it, you can change the style, you can number it, you can do a lot of things, but I don't want to go into all that. I just want to show us the basics. So right here you can also add another image or something, but I don't need it. I will just click right here and delete it. Okay, so as I delete it, this is how it is. So even right here, this right here, I can change the background, I can change the color and all that, but I don't want to go into all. I just want to add the book cover or any image. So when I click on this image sign right here, this is the book cover design. I'll click on insert and it will be right here. That is if I really want to change anything. So automatically this is how it is. So what I will now do is I will say, I can say save and close or save and continue right here. So when I click on save and continue, it's going to bring me right over here. Okay, so if once as I'm done like this, I can click right here to send a text. So if I click on this send a text, it's going to send automatically to ask me to which email, so that I'll be able to know, okay, if the email I'm writing before I send to people, I'll be able to know whether it is okay. I'll see how it looks. So once that is done, I'll just click on this start sending. So when I just click on this start sending, automatically anyone that sign up using that link on my landing page that we created in this particular video, where we create how to play this landing page like this, where you can grab people's email and all that, where you can link videos and all that. Anybody that sign up right here, the person will automatically receive this welcoming email with a link to download that particular ebook. All right, so I hope you are finding this helpful. And again, in the ebook, just like this ebook that I added right here, let me open the ebook. All right, this ebook that I added right here, in case you want to learn how to write, publish, edit and everything about your book, I have a free video that I make. I will link it in the description of this video. Sorry, I'll link it to the description of this video, where you can learn. You see how I am able to come up with idea to write, edit and publish my ebook in less than 24 hours. Yes, that is doable. As the idea to create this particular video came up, this is a series video where I've been talking about email marketing, from introduction to email marketing, how to send, how to receive, how to create a free landing page and all that, and more videos are coming. That is when the idea to create this ebook came, and I did this in less than 24 hours, from the book cover, editing, everything right here that you see. So if you want to learn that, it is right here. The video is free. And but meanwhile, if you want to learn how to publish on Amazon, and you want to learn how to add an extra source of income by writing and publishing books for people internationally, I have an ebook that goes for 4,000 naira. That is should be around $10 if you are using USD. All right, so that ebook, the link to purchase all my books, I'll drop in the description of this video. And again, if you prefer to have me work with you one-on-one on writing and publishing your book and all that, you can also do that. Meanwhile, right now there is a training that is ongoing on how to create a website for yourself for free. You don't have to pay for hosting, you don't have to pay for domain name, you don't have to be paying automation and all that. All you need to do is to pay 2,000 naira training fee, and the link to join that particular training is also in the description of this video, and it's just 2,000 naira training fee. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video, and I will keep on creating. This is going to be 5 series video. This is the 3rd one. There is 2 more to go, where we will learn more about email marketing and how we can make money with email marketing. So if you want me to make more video on email marketing, kindly comment email marketing. And thank you so much to all those that have been commenting email marketing in the previous video. Thank you so much. If you have not liked my video, kindly do so. It means a lot to me. You can go ahead and share this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.